Why do 70% of AirPods users find them too loud? Here's how to fix it in 5 simple steps. First, adjust the tone volume. On your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or Apple TV, navigate to Settings and tweak that tone. Second, play with the adaptive audio slider. This decides how much outside noise you hear. Next, toggle between noise control modes. Press and hold the force sensor on your AirPod stem to switch between active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and off. Fourth, reduce ambient noise in transparency mode. Enable custom transparency mode, then adjust the ambient noise reduction slider. Finally, balance your audio volume. Head to Settings, Accessibility, Audio and Visual, and adjust the balance slider for your perfect sound. And bonus tip: check for Bluetooth connection issues. A weak connection can mess with your sound. Got it? Follow these steps and enjoy a quieter experience with your AirPods 4. Don't forget to check the description for more tips and the latest deals.